Henry Mufutindinda or Programs Manager hano Nature Uganda nayiruka ngo ahabw'okutaahirira ebyobuhangwa Entuuha nazo ziriyo nizikyendeera.
Especially in the Kigezi sub-region, the wetlands have been encroached, especially by growing of Irish potatoes and the dairy farming. And as a result, crested cranes have moved out to farmlands, and when they go to farmlands, sometimes they are killed because they are poisoned.
Ogu nagira ngu myaka ya 1998 cyangwa kikaba kiine entuuha zirengyera omu mitwaro 10 bitu obwa hati kiine entuuha omutwaro gumwe okuza aha mitwaro 2.
Like I said, we have lost over 80,000 in 20 years. Meaning that in another 20 years, actually we may find even we have less than 1,000. Unless we take a serious decision to protect them.
Mufutindinda nayiruka ngu hiine n'abarikuguza entuuha ezi omu mahanga gaherire Uganda. Jena Mumpire orikujunaanizibwa ebyobuhangwa omu Rubanda nawe yayoreka ngu okutaahirira ebyobuhangwa omu Rubanda kweyongiire munonga.
Mazima enkozesa y'ebisharara ei turiho ekihango munonga ekisharara eki kiriho ninka 3% ebicweka 3 ahari 100 konka ebicweka 97 ahari 100 byona nibihwaho obwire kuba orikuhika baza omu kubihinga.
We need to put into consideration that these wetlands are a habitat for both fauna and flora. What by meaning it is that it is a home of some of the animals, some of the birds, some of the herbs and trees which are important in our daily lives in our community.
Ahabwo oburungi bw'entuuha zikatorana kuba ekinyonyi ky'ihanga Uganda bitu okuteganisibwa kwazo kwerarikiriza by'ebyobuhangwa. Gasha kwa Job namanya.